What makes this lemon cake so good and so delicious is that it has one special ingredient that's not traditionally found in cakes. Let's see what it is. Have your mixing bowl ready? We will start by adding 1 cup of granulated sugar, which is about 250 grams. Then we're gonna add our special ingredient, which is good quality olive oil, the best you can find. That's the special ingredient. The olive oil will elevate this recipe and make it so good, and it goes well with the lemons. You will need about 1 cup of olive oil, which is about 200 milliliters. Then we have the eggs. 1, 2, 3 eggs. For the lemon juice, what you need to aim for is half a cup of lemon juice, which is roughly about 120 millimeters. That can take about 4 small lemons or maybe 2 large lemons, depending on how juicy your lemon is. But make sure it's freshly squeezed. Using an electric whisk all those ingredients together until the sugar has dissolved completely. Now we're ready for the dry ingredients. Whatever amount of lemons you used, you need the zest of these lemons. Follow that by adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour, which is roughly about 300 grams, a teaspoon of baking powder, and a teaspoon of baking soda. Mix all those ingredients together. Until all the flour has dissolved into the rest of the ingredients. Then you will need about half a cup of whole fat milk, which is roughly about 200 milliliters. And now it's ready to be poured into a mold. And I chose this mold. You can choose any mold you like. Spray it with some non-stick spray. Then pour in your cake mixture. And now it's ready for the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 180 degrees Celsius, for about 40 minutes. After about 40 minutes, this is the result. I would highly recommend to wait until it cools out completely before releasing it from the cake mold. All that's left to do is to give it some dusting of powdered sugar. I did it half with sugar and half without. Some people might think it might be too sweet with the powdered sugar, That way you can serve the cake two ways. If you have any questions or comment, please feel free to leave them below. And if you like this video, please consider giving us a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel, and sharing the videos with your friend. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.